Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert a JPEG file into a PNG file. Let's get into it. Okay, the file I'm converting is here. I'm just going to show you it is a .jpeg file, which is a form of JPEG file. Look it up. What you want to do is right click on your JPEG file and go edit with Paint 3D. If you're on Windows, you should automatically have this installed. If you don't, you can definitely get it off the Microsoft Store. Next, we want to go Menu, Save As, and then Image, and here we can select our .png file. So that's what we're going to save it as. Then we're going to select where we're going to save it. I'm going to save it on the desktop, and then after all that, just click Save. After the image is saved, you can exit out of Paint 3D, and as you can see, our new file is now a PNG. So that is how you change a .jpeg file into a PNG file. If this did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel as well, hit that subscribe button. I upload 3 new tutorial videos every single week. And also, if you have any videos you would like to see on the channel, please leave the recommendations in the comments down below. That is it from me. Peace out.